From Madhya Pradesh, the Rath Yatra reached Orissa to an unusual welcome. The entire route of the Yatra from Sambalpur to Baripada comes in the predominantly tribal districts of western Orissa. Economically poor they may be, but the tribal people of Orissa are certainly not lacking in warmth and patriotic fervour. Both were on abundant display as Shri Advani's Yatra travelled to Rourkela, Keonjhar, Mayurbhanj and scores of smaller towns and hamlets. There was Bhakti Bhav or devotion on their faces, which is natural in a land made famous by the Jagannath Rath Yatra. But there was also an intense desire for political change, which too is natural given the pathetic state of governance in Orissa. The BJP president left Orissa after 4 days with a profound sense of satisfaction that the state today stands on the threshold of a major political transformation.
की बधाई, भाजपा की बधाई, कमल की बधाई, स्वर्ण जयंती स्वराज की आई.
India's only other red bastion after Kerala also falls to the saffron sway. In village after village and town after town, people come out in thousands to greet the Swarna Jayanti Rath. In the land of its birth, Vande Mataram replaces Lal Salam as the rallying cry. Clearly, after 20 years of Marxist stagnation, Bengal too appears determined to assert its nationalistic mores.
पचास साल की आजादी के बाद जो आज राजनेताओं की स्थिति हो गई है, जितना भ्रष्टाचार फैल गया है, उसके कारण कभी कभी लगता है कि पूरे देश में निराशा का भाव फैल गया है कि चाहे जितने कोई भाषण करे, चाहे जितनी कोई स्कीमें बनाए, लेकिन भारत से और राजनीति से भ्रष्टाचार जाएगा नहीं. एक पार्टी आएगी, दूसरी आएगी, एक से बढ़कर भ्रष्ट होंगे. और यह जो स्थिति है, मैं लोकतंत्र के लिए सबसे ज्यादा भयावह मानता हूं.
स्वर्ण युग की कामना लिए, स्वर्ण युग की कामना लिए, जय राष्ट्र बोलो, जय राष्ट्र बोलो, बोलो भारत की जय, सदा होगी विजय. स्वर्ण जयंती पर्व महान करता है सबका आह्वान. स्वर्ण जयंती पर्व महान करता है सबका आह्वान.
मैं मानता हूं कि किसी देश को ऊंचा उठाना, उसके लिए केवल सरकार अच्छी आ जाए ये पर्याप्त नहीं. भारतीय जनता पार्टी आपको अच्छी सरकार देगी, स्वराज्य को सुराज्य में बदलेगी, ये वचन तो मैं दे सकता हूं, लेकिन उसके कारण स्वाभाविक रूप से देश महान बन जाएगा, ये मैं जरूरी नहीं मानता हूं.
June 23, the martyrdom day of Dr. Sama Prasad Mukherjee, founder of the Bharatiya Janasangh. Shri Advani pays respectful homage to one who is the eternal guiding light of the BJP in Calcutta, the city of his birth. Dr. Mukherjee, an eminent educationist, was at 32 the youngest ever Vice Chancellor of the prestigious Calcutta University. the land of Loknayak Jayaprakash Narayan, and also, alas, the land of his one-time disciple Lalu Prasad Yadav. Nowhere did Shri Advani's campaign against corruption hit the target so sure and straight as in Lalu land. The charge-sheeted ex-chief minister who had arrested the BJP president during the Ram Rath Yatra in 1990 was himself battling hard to evade arrest in the infamous fodder scam. Be it Patna, Muzaffarpur, Begusarai, Sasaram or Buxar, the anger of the people at the man who brought such a bad name to Bihar was evident in the fervour with which they thronged the Rath Yatra rallies. Bihar, the birthplace of JP's Total Revolution movement, was once again sounding the bugle for a radical change.
देश को ये नहीं कहता हूं कि आप भारतीय जनता पार्टी को विजयी बनाइए, वो कहने के लिए आऊंगा फिर से, लेकिन आज मैं कहता हूं कि मैं मान करके चला हूं कि हिंदुस्तान की जनता ने फैसला कर लिया है कि हमको मौका मिले लोकसभा के चुनाव का तो हमको 5 साल के लिए गद्दी पर बिठाएंगे।
Uttar Pradesh, Ayodhya. The Swarna Jayanti Rath Yatra, whose name is inseparably associated with the resurgence of cultural nationalism in India. At Ayodhya, Shri Advani visited the small, makeshift and heavily barricaded temple of Bhagwan Shri Ram, the BJP's resolve to facilitate the construction of a grand mandir at the Ram Janmabhoomi. At the same time, he explained the intrinsic Ram Rath Yatra and the Swarna Jayanti Rath Yatra. If the former was for the construction of the Ram Mandir, the latter's aim is to mobilize the people for the erection of a grand Rashtra Mandir from which would be banished all hunger, fear and corruption.
हमें राम रथ यात्रा के नायक ने बुलाया है, वह राष्ट्र मंदिर बनाने का संदेश